Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. Till now we have learned about neighborhood, the neighbors and a few places of neighborhood in part 1 of our lesson My Neighborhood. Now children, in part 2 of the neighborhood we are going to see some more places in the neighborhood. Now this is a hospital. Children, when you have fever or you are not feeling well, where does your mother take you? आपकी मम्मी आपको कहाँ ले जाती हैं जब आप बीमार होते हो? She takes you to the doctor or a hospital. So, children, a hospital is a place where sick people are treated. Doctors and nurses work in a hospital. They give medicine and take care of sick people. An ambulance is used to carry sick or injured people to the hospital. सो बच्चों, जब आपकी तबीयत ख़राब होती है या आपको चोट लग जाती है तो हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? हॉस्पिटल या क्लिनिक जाते हैं. हॉस्पिटल में बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं और नर्सेज होती हैं. डॉक्टर्स हमको दवा देते हैं एंड नर्सेज लुक आफ्टर पीपल हु हैव टू स्टे इन द हॉस्पिटल. कभी कभी हॉस्पिटल में एमरजेंसीज भी होती है. जब कोई रोड पे एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, एट दैट टाइम पेशेंट को इस वैन में हॉस्पिटल लेकर आते हैं. इस वैन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एम्बुलेंस बोलते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, सम नेबरहुड्स हैव अ डिस्पेंसरी. अभी डिस्पेंसरी क्या होती है? अ डिस्पेंसरी इज मच स्मॉलर दैन अ हॉस्पिटल. मोस्ट नेबरहुड्स हैव केमिस्ट शॉप्स. We buy medicines from here. Now children, this is the picture of a fire station. So children, what would you do if a fire breaks in your house or any other house in your neighborhood? We should not panic. We should immediately inform the elders in our house and ask them to call the fire station. So, when a fire breaks out, we call a fire station for help. Firefighters come to our help in fire engines. A fire engine has a water tank and hose to put out fire. So children, firefighters are our fire friends. They are brave people because they save our lives and property by putting their lives at risk. तो इस पिक्चर में बच्चों आपको दिख रहा है ना, एक रेड कलर की ट्रक दिख रही है ना. दिस इज अ फायर इंजन एंड इट हैज़ अ वाटर टैंक होता है जिसमें पानी भरा हुआ होता है. और एंड देर इज़ अ होज. होज मीन्स द पाइप. एंड अ बिग लैडर. बड़ी सी सीढ़ी होती है जिस पर वो चढ़कर फायर को बुझाते हैं. Now see this picture here. If there is any fire in the neighborhood, first we inform the fire station, then the firefighters come and they put out fire. Now most neighborhoods have a police station. The police guard our neighborhood and keep it safe. They also find our lost goods. So children, a police station is a place where police officers work. They keep the neighborhood safe by catching robbers and thieves. और पुलिस हमारे लिए क्या क्या करती है? Let us see. The police protects us. They maintain law and order. The police also provides us security. Now children, आपको मालूम है ना ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन? तो सम पुलिस विमेन एंड पुलिसमैन कंट्रोल ट्रैफिक एंड दे आर कॉल्ड द ट्रैफिक पुलिस. ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन डायरेक्ट्स ट्रैफिक ऑन द रोड्स. ही कंट्रोल्स ट्रैफिक एंड ही सेव्स अस फ्रॉम एक्सीडेंट्स. तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए बच्चों? ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, some important things which we should follow. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We should not throw garbage in the lanes. And we should grow trees to keep our neighborhood green. So, with this, we have finished this lesson, and I hope you have understood all the things properly. Now, children, we are going to see the textbook exercises. So, children, open your books on page number 154. My neighborhood. Now, tick the correct answers. Murli wants to buy vegetables. He should go to a मुरली को अगर वेजिटेबल्स खरीदने हैं तो वो कहाँ जाना चाहिए? मार्केट जाना चाहिए कि पुलिस स्टेशन? ही शुड गो टू द मार्केट. तो मार्केट आंसर आपका करेक्ट है. लक्ष्मी वॉन्ट्स टू बाय स्टैम्प्स. शी शुड गो टू अ स्टैम्प्स हमको कहाँ पर मिलते हैं? पोस्ट ऑफिस में मिलते हैं. तो वी विल पुट अ टिक मार्क टू पोस्ट ऑफिस. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, open to page number 157. Tick the correct answers. A city has many neighborhoods, jungles, rivers. City में बच्चों क्या होता है? जंगल होते हैं? No. Rivers होती है? No. Neighborhoods? Yes. So the correct answer is neighborhoods. We can buy eggs and bread from a hospital? No. Bank? No. Market? Yes. Put a tick mark. An ATM is an automatic machine of a bank, market, hospital. The answer is bank. Now children, who does what? Draw lines to match. I deliver letters and money orders. I am a, कौन deliver करता है letters and money orders? Postman. I put out fires and save people. I am a firefighter. I look after people who are sick. I am a nurse. I sell different things to you. I am a shopkeeper. I keep the neighborhood safe. I am a police woman. So children, have you understood? Okay. Now move on to the next page, page number 158. Think and answer. People who work in fire stations and police stations have one thing in common. What is that? Circle the correct answer. So people who work in fire stations and police station, they wear uniform. So the correct answer is uniform. So circle the answer uniform. These are some people who help us. Complete these sentences. Rajbir is a chemist. He sells. What does a chemist sell, children? A chemist sells medicines. Shanti is a greengrocer. She sells vegetables. Shama is a tailor. She stitches clothes. Madan is a plumber. He mends broken taps. Okay, children. Next page. Page number 159. Now see what is written. These children enjoy playing in their neighborhood park. Color the picture. Talk about the picture. So children, a picture is given. You are going to color this picture and talk about this picture. Now children, what is the value which we have learned from this lesson? Let us see. Are you a good neighbor? Find out by circling your answer. Do you remember to return things that you borrow from a neighbor? आप अगर अपने किसी नेबर से कोई चीज़ लेते हो तो आप उसको वापस करते हो? Yes. Celebrate festivals with your neighbors. बताइए बच्चों, आप सारे फेस्टिवल्स अपने नेबर्स के साथ मिलकर मनाते हो? Yes. Do you greet the elders in your neighborhood? Yes. So children, if you have circled yes for all, you are a good neighbor. So, with this, we finish our textbook exercises. Now, children, there is an activity for you to do. Find the phone numbers to be dialed to call an ambulance, a fire station, and a police station. आपको एम्बुलेंस, फायर स्टेशन और पुलिस स्टेशन के नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं. आप अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प ले सकते हो और अपनी नोटबुक में ये तीनों नंबर्स आपको लिखने हैं. And children, I hope you have understood everything regarding my neighborhood. So children, you have to do the activity, you have to read the lesson properly, and you have to do all the textbook exercises neatly. Thank you children, and Jai Swaminarayan.